So now I'd like to share with you the reasons why I put this program together. We live in a society of aging population. Aged care is becoming a booming business, but I'm not sure that a lot of carers and aides and even the family members of the people who are getting older understand the nuances of movement and how just some body work can really be beneficial. So if you're a professional massage therapist taking this program and just wanting to learn some new tips about balance and some, home care and really interesting things and understand more about the movement and the dynamics of Gait, then this course is for you. But this course is also if you have a loved one, your aging parents perhaps, someone that you really care about, who is in an aged care home or, kind of housebound, or just at that point where you can see the decline and you're just feeling helpless. This course has got lots of content and many things that you can share with that person, whether you're a professional or whether you're a lay person. And that's why we're putting this program together, and I hope you really enjoy it.